Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mobile internet issues on your phone. Let's say that you have a Android phone, could be a Samsung, LG, Huawei, or whichever it is, but you're not able to browse the internet, right? So yeah, this is usually related to the data settings or internet settings or APN settings. It might not be properly configured, and we're gonna help you check that. And once you have it properly done, then you should be able to get online. So for this, first we need to make sure you have the Wi-Fi turned off and the mobile data is turned on. So yeah, make sure it's enabled. After that, if you're still not able to connect to the internet, we're gonna check that you have the corresponding APN settings. So we're going to the settings menu or the settings app, then tap on more. Depending on the phone you have, it might say connections. So in this case, I'm going to tap on more, then go to mobile network, and you'll see access point names. Here, normally you should see a list of APN and one should be selected. If you don't have any, it means the phone is not properly set up. So you might want to first try to reset to default. So tap on menu and you can reset to default. That will bring back the original settings that the phone had. If you get some of the APN settings back, then just hit this button here to select the ones. If by any chance resetting to default doesn't bring you anything, or it still doesn't fix the issue, then I recommend you to add a new one. So tap on the menu again and select new APN. Here you see a list of fields you need to type in, and it will be specific to the carrier you're using. You should normally have the APN settings required here, but if by any chance you don't have it, it's also fine. In the description below you'll find the links that I show you the video that have all the APN settings for the United States. So you just tap on that and you'll be able to find the one you need. Usually not all the settings are required, but there's some specific one I would like to mention. So the name and the APN is usually a must. The rest of the fields not all the time. And here the APN type is very important as well, because depending whether you're only using this setting for internet or you want to also send picture messages, then it will have different values here. So once you finish, so let's say I'm gonna just put demo and APN internet. So once you finish, you just tap on save, and yeah, you'll be able to select the newly created APNs, and yeah, that should be able to fix the issue. If by any chance it's not connecting, you might need to reboot it. Like in this case, I'm gonna reboot the phone, but yeah, please give it a try, and remember you can find in the description below all the settings you require for the corresponding carrier you're using. Thank you for watching, and yeah, drop me a message or comment below if you find any trouble. Thank you.